Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and this SQL playlist series where in this series we are solving some of the most important SQL problem related to the data science and data analytics interview. So in today's video we will be solving one of the most interesting SQL problem, that is tweets rolling averages. So let's start the problem by reading the problem statement carefully and understand what it demands in the output. So given a table of a tweet data over a specified time period, calculate the 3-day rolling average of the tweet each user, output the user ID, tweet date and rolling averages rounded to two decimal places. So here, forget about 3-day rolling average. If we want a simple rolling average of day to day day-to-day tweet date, then what we will be doing, we will be using the window function, and I will be using the average aggregate function, and then I will be partitioning it by the user ID, and then ordering it by the tweet date, which will give me the rolling average of the each day. But in our case we need 3-day rolling average. For example, now here we are getting 1.5 average, and here we are getting 3 plus 2, here we are getting 2 average. But in the next case, here in the next step, we will be not taking whole of this for making average. In the 3-day rolling average, we will select only this 134 and find the average, which will be coming to some around 2.67. So to do this, we have a window frame clause which we will be using to find the 3-day rolling average. So the syntax is rows between the starting point and the ending point. We need to mention what is the starting point and the ending point in the window function itself, so that we can achieve the rolling averages of 3 days, 4 days, anything. So these are some of the starting and ending point can be added. Like unbounded preceding means it is the first row. From the first row we need n preceding means how many rows. In our case we have 3. So from the current point, how many rows preceding we need to calculate the rolling average. In our case it will be 2. If we are required to find the 10 days average rolling, then we need to give n preceding there, 9 preceding and 1 current row, which will calculate the 10 days average rolling. So in the current row is the current row which we are having, and n following means if we are required to find the running average the next of the preceding, sorry, preceding, not succeeding element, then we can have this n following, and we can specify the number like 2 3, of the how many columns, how many rows, or how many uh, days of following days we need rolling averages. And unbounded following means this is the last row. So with this, with the help of this window frame clause, we will be finding the 3 days average rolling. So my approach would be, uh, I will be using the window function. I will be using the window function. I will be using the aggregate function, that average, and I will be defining the window frame clause in the window function itself. So let's move on to write the query. So I will be selecting the user ID, the tweet date, and we were required to round the moving average by 2 positions. So I will be rounding, and then average of average of tweet count we need. I will be specifying the window function over, and I will be doing partition by user ID, and then I will be specifying the window form clause, that is rows between two preceding and current row. And I will be rounding it off to two decimal places. And I will be renaming it as average rolling average, rolling average 3 days from the tweets. If I run this, we are getting the rolling average. Let's submit it. So our solution has been accepted. So that's it for today's video. I hope the solution for this question was helpful in understanding the concept of the window form clause. So so thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep coding. Thank you.